Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zother Gardens. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough, nothing in particular. I want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mother viewers and subscribers. A little history with me. When my wife and I got married, there's Lulu. When my wife and I got married, I believe 2 to 3 months later, her father passed away of cancer, and then a week later my mother went to the hospital, or about 2 to 3 weeks later, and she died of cancer as well. And I think today, tomorrow, or the next day is her anniversary of her death, so she pretty much died on Mother's Day. This video isn't supposed to be really a downer. It's just to give acknowledgement to all the mothers out there, and also for the ones that still have your mothers and fathers, grandmothers, grandfathers, really enjoy the time you have with them, because I have to look at my son and my future daughter and know they don't have a grandmother that really wanted to have grandchildren. So count your blessings. There's many more people in the world that have really bad luck, and if you still have your parents or grandparents on top of that, you're in good shape. And if you are a parent to beautiful children, more to you. And before I forget, we're going to be going to Monterey tomorrow, Monterey, California. I'm going to be doing a whole long video over there of the aquarium, the ocean, the beach, some restaurants I used to love going to. I used to be stationed near Fort Ord in California, next to Monterey, so I love it over there. And I plan to retire there one day, or buy a summer home or property out there one day. It's quite expensive. Not too expensive, but it's quite expensive. There's Carmel and Pacific Grove. But I'll be heading there tomorrow all day long. Happy Mother's Day and happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for